IELTS Speaking. Tips. Same question, different band scores. What's the most popular sport in your country? Band 5 answer.
In my country, the most popular sport is football. Many people like to watch it and play it. I also sometimes play football with my friends.
Why is this a band 5? Simple vocabulary, limited range, short, basic sentences with little development, limited coherence and fluency, no real explanation or expansion, some accuracy, but not much complexity in grammar. Band 7.5 answer.
I would say football is definitely the most popular sport in my country. It's played almost everywhere, from schools and local parks to professional stadiums. People enjoy watching big matches together, and it often feels like the entire nation stops when there's an important tournament. I think its popularity comes from the fact that it's easy to play and doesn't require much equipment.
Why is this a band 7.5? Clear, extended answer with supporting details. Good range of vocabulary. Tournament, equipment, stadiums. Logical flow with explanation and examples. Mostly accurate grammar with some variety in sentence structure. Still room for richer idiomatic expressions or more complex linking devices. Band 9 answer.
Undoubtedly, football reigns supreme as the most popular sport in my country. It transcends age and social background, uniting people in a way few other activities can. On weekends, you'll find children kicking a ball around in narrow streets, while adults passionately debate tactics over coffee. I believe its widespread appeal lies in its simplicity. You just need a ball and some space, but also in the sense of community and national pride it generates during international competitions.
Why is this a band 9? Fully developed, fluent, and natural response. Wide lexical resource with precise word choices. Reigns supreme, transcends, widespread appeal. Complex sentence structures and idiomatic language. High level of cohesion and sophistication in explanation. Natural rhythm and flow. No hesitation. Now it's your turn. How would you answer this question? Drop your answer in the comments and I'll let you know if it sounds more like band 5, 7, or 9. And don't forget to subscribe for more IELTS speaking hacks.
Thank you. Please like and subscribe. See you tomorrow.